Two design giants trusted by millions, but in 2026, which creative platform truly deserves your clicks, Canva or Adobe Express? On the left, Canva, the versatile all-in-one design platform. And on the right, Adobe Express, professional design meets Adobe ecosystem. Let's skip the marketing noise and find out what matters for real creators. We've got head-to-head matchups in every category, and by the end, you'll see exactly which tool comes out on top. The winner might just surprise you. Let's map out everything we're going to cover. We'll look at pricing, templates and design quality, AI and generative tools, collaboration features, accessibility, export and file handling, storage, video and advanced features, interface and usability, ecosystem integration, and of course, customer support. That's a lot, but I promise we'll make it fun. Let's kick it off with pricing. Canva gives you a pretty generous free plan, and honestly, if you're flying solo or with a small team, you'll squeeze a lot out of it. But here's the catch, it starts getting pricey, especially once you need team-level features. Adobe Express, on the other hand, really comes out swinging if you're talking about price per user. It's cheaper for single folks, those team plans are a steal, plus wait for it, 1 TB of storage per user. Now the free tier on Adobe Express, a bit stripped down, but overall for your wallet, Adobe Express is the winner here. Next up, templates and design quality. Canva is absolutely bursting with templates, like seriously, the variety and the number are kinda mind-blowing. You want to experiment with different looks? This is your playground. Though not every template is gold, some are, let's say, a little inconsistent in style. Slide over to Adobe Express and what you get is fewer options, but the designs super polished, very on-brand with fewer cheesy stock photos in the mix. There are more restrictions and less diversity, but what you do get is almost always pro-level. Still, for sheer variety and creative freedom, Canva takes this round. Okay, time for everyone's favorite buzzword, AI. Canva's AI suite? Oh, it's wild in the best way, advanced tools, text-to-image, and they're actually pretty upfront about how their AI works. Some things are a bit behind what leading-edge AI-only tools are doing, but for a design suite, you're getting almost anything you can imagine and more. Adobe Express does have that sweet Firefly integration, big fan of ethical AI approaches, and you get cool stuff like advanced text effects. But if we're talking feature volume and transparency, Canva totally wins. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Canva has over 100 million users worldwide? That's a lot of memes and pitch decks. Meanwhile, Adobe Express is all about going deep and tight with the Adobe creative ecosystem. Which camp are you in? Let's talk teamwork. Canva just gets collaboration. You've got whiteboards, shared docs, and it's super easy to brainstorm or edit together in real time. Sending stuff back and forth is painless. They're one big fumble. Customer support is a bit slow and only via email. Now, Adobe Express integrates with other Adobe apps, which, yeah, is cool, and you do get brand management for syncing style guides. But honestly, if you love working in groups or are constantly saying, "Is everyone in the doc?" Canva edges it out. Accessibility and platforms. Canva's super accessible, desktop app, web, mobile, you name it. And if you're someone who likes fiddling with designs on your phone, Canva's mobile app is just smoother. Adobe Express tries web and mobile work fine, their interface is very clean, but their Android app is still in beta, and there's no actual desktop app, which means you're stuck in a browser. For flexibility and getting things done anywhere, Canva's the winner. Export and file handling. This is where things flip. Canva hands you all sorts of export options, including stuff for print on demand, which is fantastic if you're making merch or printed goods. But PDFs? Not their strong point, they're flattened so you can't edit easily after export. Adobe Express is like, let me show you how it's done. You get unflattened PDFs, import support for PSD and AI files, and file conversions are super high quality. If you work a lot with documents or existing Adobe files, that's a game changer. So Adobe Express wins this one hands down. Storage and creative resources. Canva Pro gives you a massive 500 GB of storage, which is, honestly, probably more than most of us need. You can also store a wild variety of templates. If you're on an Adobe Express team plan though, boom, 1 TB per person. Not bad, right? Plus, access to nearly 200 million royalty-free images, a seriously pro font library, and top stock media. For individuals, though, you don't get quite as much storage. But for sheer team storage, Adobe Express squeaks ahead. But for most creators, Canva is the go-to due to overall storage and freedom. Video and advanced features. Canva hold up, you can make multi-page docs, build out real mock-ups, resize your projects, and the video editor, honestly impressive for what used to be just a graphics tool. Yes, it's a little steeper to learn all the nitty-gritty, but the power is there. Adobe Express, it brings in Premiere Rush, but video editing is more of a nice add-on than a core strength, and there are weird limits, like you can't create multi-page websites and embedding videos can be a chore. Canva, no contest. Interface and usability. Canva's interface is super intuitive, drag, drop, done. Loading is snappy, and they finally added layer selection, but managing those layers, not as crisp as some might want. Sometimes, options are weirdly hidden. Adobe Express, the navigation is honestly cleaner and more professional, and layer control is, dare I say, a pleasure. Only hiccup, performance can lag, especially with bigger projects. Honestly, this one's a wash, a straight-up tie. Ecosystem integration. Here's the thing, Canva connects to like everything. Tons of third-party add-ons, a mini app store, super handy if you're juggling lots of tools. The downside: if you're a pro designer, you might feel a little boxed out since there isn't native Adobe-level integration. Adobe Express is the opposite. Creative Cloud is its playground. Linked assets, Photoshop, Premiere Rush, synced libraries. It's amazing if you live in Adobe land. You're kinda locked in though, and third-party stuff lags behind. But in terms of pure ecosystem power, Adobe Express, easy win. And finally, customer support. Canva mostly leaves you with email support and community forums, so if you need urgent help, it's a bit of a hurry up and wait. Adobe Express, though, brings out the live chat, phone calls, and quick turnarounds. If you're someone who wants real help from a real person in almost real time, yeah, Adobe Express is where it's at. Alright, pause and take a look. The scores: Canva dominates templates, AI, collaboration, advanced features, and overall versatility. Adobe Express counters with strong pricing, pro-grade exports, team storage, customer support, and ecosystem magic. It's a creative tug-of-war. So bottom line, Canva is your best friend if you're a creator or small team who wants versatility, a massive template library, and top-notch collaboration. On the other hand, if you're flying solo or you already live in Creative Cloud, need powerhouse PDF handling, or prefer to have someone ready with support when things break, Adobe Express is the smarter choice. If this breakdown helped you, share it with your creative squad. No more heated debates on which tool to use. Let everyone design smarter.